Hello guys, and yes, today is 21 and happy anniversary sa amin dalawa. So ayun, naglaro nga kami kanina ng badminton at dapat kasama namin yung sister-in-law ko kaso masakit yung katawan ng asawa niya. Oo. So ayun nga, umalis si Christian kaya may time akong isagawa ang prank ko. So naihanda ko na yung sibuyas at bawang, pero hindi yun ang prank ko. Magluluto ako ng spaghetti. And, ayan, ito nga pala yung prank ko. Ayan. Sa anniversary namin, dapat may maibigay man lang kay Christian. Ito, o, diba? So, binili ko pa to sa Dubai. Sana all. Hindi ko mabilhan ang sarili ko nung ganito kakapal na chain. Pangarap ko din to. Sana may magbigay. Sana bigyan ako. Kaso hindi naman siya mahilig bumili ng mga ginto. So, nung nasa Dubai ako, sinamantala ko na kasi mas mura doon. And shout out kay Ate Rhea at kay Kuya dahil pinautang nila ko. Pero bayad na to guys. So, ano yung prank? Ewan. So, hindi siya mahilig sa mga alahas at mga buruloy sa katawan. Pero, siguro naman tatanggapin niya to. No? Pwede naman tong isang la. Pero pag sinangla niya, ay, tapos na. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw namin. Charot. So, ayun nga. Ang prank ko ay, yan. Kita niyo yan. Nasa sinulid. Kunwari, hindi ko kayang bumili ng chain muna, kaya uunahin ko muna ang pendant. Ayan. Nilagay ko na siya sa sinulid kanina. So, ayan. Diba? So, pag inabot ko ito at inopen niya, kasyang-kasya. Diba? So, umuot pa. Diba? Sana all. Letter J. So, para pag ayaw niya sa akin. So, sabi ko dati, tinanong ko siya, hindi pala sabi ko, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, sinabi ko, pasensya na. Yan. Sabi ko, kung anong gusto niyang pendant, letter C or letter J. C para pangalan niya, syempre pangalan ko, FJ. Patay na patay sa akin yata. So, letter J. Sabi ko naman, okay. So, para wala siyang time ang babae. Who's that J? Di ba? May sing-sing na, may pakwintas pa. I mean, yung sing-sing na suot niya, yung wedding ring namin, tas J pa. Di ba? Ayun na ayaw pa kawalan. Yan totoo. Aba, sa gwapo namang iyon at sa bait. Ako na lang talaga ang may pagkukulang. Pag tinutoyo. Minsan, sana hindi naman manawa. Pero ang hirap kasi guys, pag tinutuyo tayo, alam mo yun, hindi ko maiwasan, pero siguro hormonal, lang yung hormonal, basta, yun na lang. Pero, ayan. Tingnan natin mamaya ang reaction niya. At kung ayawan niya to, kaya pala Jay ay para sa akin. At ito nga pala yung chain. Ayan. Mamaya ako iaabot. Pag alam niya ng ito talaga ito suot niya. Pagkatapos namin kumain. Magluluto ako spaghetti. Tapos may champagne. Champagne. Galing doon sa party nila. Sa event nun sa trabaho niya. So, yun guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for all the greetings. Greetings! For all the greetings. Ewan ko ba, minsan nabibisaya ako. Kasi naman yung German. O talagang, hindi problema ko na to nung college pa. Oh, shout out sa mga kaklase ko. Bye. Babe. Happy anniversary.
Para sa akin? Talaga?
Oo nga.
Talaga?
Don't look at the video. Make natural. What?
Is this earring or what for me?
Pendant.
Huh?
It's not earring, it's pendant. For now, only the needle because...
Pendant?
Pendant.
Ano yan?
Necklace! Pendant! But I don't have money for now, so next year. And I have job.
Only the string, you mean what?
Yes, and... Why?
Hirap tayo. It's so sweet.
It's so cute naman.
Mahirap tayo.
It's
Next
so
year,
cute.
second part of the gift.
Yes.
Oh.
See, at least I make it happen. See? Oh, looks good. It looks good? You like it?
Yeah, what is that's Chelsea? Oh, it's a P. It's your name? Che?
Because I asked you before if which one you like. You choose, right?
A juice?
Yes, you said. I said C or J. If it's C, it's your name. If it's J, it's my name. I said J then.
Oh.
You forget. So
Oh.
it's like I'm lying to my stories. It's like,
I didn't know we talked about necklace.
huh?
I didn't know we talked about necklace.
You forget it. I just keep hiding it.
Oh.
Where's
you
your?
getting
I
it?
know.
You made it yourself? What? It's customized?
What do you think? My money went there.
No, maybe there is many letters, you know, you picked that.
Let's take picture. Let's highlight.
Thank you for this thin string.
And this another flower for my room.
I'm scared to lose that. Oh! Hindi mahirap ka! Hindi mahirap ka!
Of course!
Hindi ko alam! So rich! Oh, babe! Wow! Thank you! Oh!
You should take care of this,
I found you,
okay?
Billy Miram! Okay. So I can remove this?
No, it's so... I'm sick when I buy mahal, okay?
You're sick when you get by mahal?
So you should take care of this, okay?
You're getting sick? Stomachache? Backache?
Yes, I hide this long time.
Long time? How long?
When I come here, 2 months.
Why are you shouting? I'm just asking.
Okay, sorry.
Well, maybe 1 year, I don't know.
Okay, no, there's a music. I hope it's not counted.
I can be your hero, baby.
Oh, Pogi!
Oh, talaga.
Mm. Yeah, mukhang mayaman.
I look like white rapper now. ACG, baby, ACG for girl, bro. Swagging. Oh my god, I look like white rapper now. Look at Eminem's cousin.
There you go. Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
You like it?
I'm white rapper now. Yeah, it's sweet. Thank you. I'm scared to lose it. It's my biggest fear.
Why you will
Because
lose?
if I'm not used to it, I'm losing it.
No, you don't have to remove it unless you.
When I sleep,
Yes, when you sleep, we need to remove it. Like you can wear on occasion, no problem.
do I have to remove it when I sleep? Something like that?
Of course.
Bag it.
But you can sleep with this right now. Maybe you will dream a lot of. Okay, guys.
Bye. Thank you.